So for the parents, sorry, for the teachers, what's the referral? What do they get if a teacher goes, by the way, there was a family that came in and they say, we're here and Miss So-and-so told us about the school. Miss So-and-so gets how much?
The week of tuition.
The teacher gets a week of tuition?
That same amount.
So so your teacher, if they refer a parent and the child signs up, how long do they have to be part of the school before they get a month?
4 weeks.
4 weeks, and then they get $250.
We just started that.
Okay, how long ago? How long ago?
Was that in September, October?
Okay, how many people have taken it up?
Yeah, we have.
Actually try.
Yeah.
Is trying more than before when it didn't exist?
Yeah, so we did flyers, like.
No, but I'm saying like before the $250, because people are run by money. That's the reality.
Yeah.
Before the $250, what was the referral fee?
It was like I think we did a $50 gift card.
Okay, and now all of a sudden it went up to $250. Now you
Yeah.
see action by your teachers.
Yeah.
Okay. By the way, is it supposed to be that way? Should it be that way, or should the teachers just be out there helping, promoting the school, and then having an extra kid in their classroom to make their day harder, and they get no extra compensation? But they should want to do that based on no reality but what your mind is telling you. If I worked at McDonald's, I wouldn't go above and beyond and get more people on the line. I'd do whatever I can to get less people on the line so I can have a longer break.
Well, we're in a totally different field than a McDonald's.
We're not. We're in the human field.
Yes.
Right.
But I think our field is more based on connections and family. We're that type of person.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Than
So you
somebody
got
a
this.
retail
So
person.
your teachers were trying just as hard when it was at $50 as opposed to $250.
No, but they are trying more than somebody who works at McDonald's.
Right, because there's more benefit. If a person got paid $250 to bring in a new person, they'd be on the street outside trying to bring people in for $250. Okay? And what do you have? Anybody else have something less than that? Parent referral fee? For when a parent brings a child and they bring $12,000 into your school? So why would you even think for a moment your teachers would have any interest at all in helping the school? Because your brain tells you that they should? How's that working?